Hello everyone, it's Katina. I have been MIA for a little while and I just want to give you an update on what I've been doing. Now, I've been missing, but not because of coronavirus. I have been in the lab just thinking about what the city of Detroit needs. Actually, I've been thinking about this for a while. So what I've been doing is, number one, putting together some houses. A lot of people in the inner city are tired, sick and tired of being renters, and they want to be homeowners. And sometimes it's hard to catch a break and get your credit together if nobody is giving you an opportunity. So what we've been doing or working on is getting some houses together so that people inside the city can buy on land contract. That's seller financing, where you put a down payment toward purchasing the house and you pay it off over time. So just stay tuned and keep watching these videos so that you can get the list or be one of the first people in line to get a house when it does become available. We've already put made two available, and the demand was so high. Again, you know, it's a huge problem. So that leads me to my second thing that I've been working on, okay? The second thing I've been working on or putting together is trying to find people who want to donate houses. Now, if somebody's interested in donating a house to my nonprofit organization, you can do that by visiting nextleveldetroit.org. And if you may have an unwanted house, or you may want to sell a house at a smaller off-market price. And now what this nonprofit does is we provide resources, housing, and bring awareness to domestic violence. So we help a lot of people who have suffered from domestic violence situations and overcome it. So we do provide empowerment classes, houses, resources, you name it. So if you are thinking about donating a house or just want to donate, you can do that by visiting nextleveldetroit.org. All right, number 3, last but not least, what has Katina been working on? So what I've been working on is this nice, wonderful new book, and it is called Empowered Through Real Estate. Now, this book is really going to get your attention because it is going to teach you how to start a real estate related business within 30 days. Now, it may seem unrealistic to some, but it could be very realistic to others. I personally know that you can get these businesses started within 30 days because I've done it myself. So if you want to, actually, pre-orders for the book starts today. It is in the editing process. We are just about ready to roll it out. So we are offering a discounted price for the book during the pre-order process. And pre-orders start today. Visit nextleveldetroit.org. And if for some reason that site wasn't working, you can pre-order the book on katinawillis.com as well. So I don't have the book in front of me, but wait just a second. I'm going to just connect my computer and show you what the reviews are saying so far about this book. What I'd like you to do is visit nextleveldetroit.org. .org, not .com. And that will help you see this. You'll get this book pop up here. So you just click on pre-order now. And as you can see, the price, you know, we have a price, discounted price as a result of pre-ordering. So this is what the book looks like. We're giving lessons on starting a business while laid off. If you're still at home, here's some things you could do. Here's some things you could work on. Also, I got this cute little video here. I don't know if it's going to pop up. Nope. So isn't that exciting? I know that I am excited. I'm very excited and happy to help people or renters become homeowners, even if they don't have their credit score where the bank wants it to be. So if any way I can help or assist you, don't hesitate to leave me a comment below or to give me a call. And also don't forget, give me a thumbs up, please. It helps me to get this video and information out to more people. So that's it for real estate news from the D. I'm Katina Willis, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.